Pak Alek, ini tadi saya dengar Tracy bilang Mr. Alek itu apa maksudnya Pak Alek?
Ya, jadi kebetulan ini 21119 sting ini kita boyong ke kandang kambing burja.
Iya.
Untuk bisa kita kawinkan dengan anaknya yang kemarin sudah pernah saya beli juga, yang panjang TFF itu.
Iya.
Untuk memperbaiki bentuk tubuhnya ya. Jadi Anda lihat punggungnya seperti belabak ya.
Iya.
Bodinya, lebarnya, lebar dadanya. Ya, jadi kita kepingin nyetak yang memperbaiki lagi yang sebelumnya supaya lebar dadanya dapat lebih lebar, panjangnya juga bagus, dan yang utama adalah punggungnya juga lebih lebar lagi.
Okay, this buck that Richard is holding is Pacifica Bullet. His number is 2213.
2213.
He was the intermediate champion at Sydney Royal in 2024, and he stood in front of his Paddock Pal shotgun that you looked at a little bit earlier. This buck's sire is Pacifica Barsha, and Barsha has, as always, put a magnificent imprint on his progeny. When this buck moves, you'll see how fluid he is when he walks, the muscling, the amazing width in his back end, which matches the breadth in his front end and his chest. Magnificent rolls, and again that beautiful ennobled head that Barsha always puts on his progeny. So this buck is 2213, Pacifica Bullet.
Take his
Ya, oke. Ya, bisa mulai ke jalan. Peternak bisa, Bulllover bisa lihat ini juara 1 dari intermediate. Ya, coba diperlihatkan pantatnya itu yang gede itu, panjang badannya. Ini nurun sama bapaknya ya. Who is the father?
Father?
Ya.
Barsha.
Barsha terkenal memang tubuhnya tebal dan bagus. Montok dan gemoy ini. Nggak heran kalau juara 1 ya. Lebar dadanya bisa diperlihatkan. Semua genetik Pacifica rata-rata punya lebar badan yang bagus dan panjang.
Okay, this buck is Pacifica 22121. His name is Shotgun, and his sire is Pacifica Tipper.
So his father is Pacifica Tipper, right?
Pacifica Tipper.
Okay. So what the kind of story? Yes.
So this buck was reserve intermediate champion at Sydney Royal this year, and he stood behind his Paddock Pal, Pacifica Bullet, who we'll show you shortly. This is a very strong buck. He has his father's frame, extremely good on his legs, nice length, and a beautiful ennobled head.
Anything else?
Want me to let him go for a run?
Yes. Okay. Good.
Take the boom.
Yeah. Okay. Kita
Okay.
coba ya. Bisa kelihatan lebar dadanya, panjang badannya, bentuk kepala, pantatnya yang seksi itu. He's balanced, right? Wide and also
Yeah,
long.
very wide, nicely balanced,
Yeah.
but a lovely big frame of a
Yeah.
buck, so able to carry a lot of meat because he's got such a big frame.
Okay. Good. Enough. Thank you. Yeah. Offset. Offset. Dua 119 Sting.
So this is Pacifica Sting. His tag number is 21119 and his sire was Suleiman. This is an exceptional buck. Just so strong. Beautifully balanced between the shoulder and the rear end. Wide in the back. Very strong in the leg. Great head. Beautiful neck extension. And just an incredible amount of meat carrying capacity. A very special buck. And this one has been purchased by Mr. Alex
Come, Sting.
and will be travelling to Indonesia in August. You can just see, look at the back end on that buck. The rump is just incredible.
Pak Alek, ini tadi saya dengar Tracy bilang Mr. Alek itu apa maksudnya Pak Alek?
Ya, jadi kebetulan ini 21119 Sting ini kita boyong ke kandang kambing Burja
Iya.
untuk bisa kita kawinkan dengan anaknya yang kemarin sudah pernah saya beli juga yang panjang TFF itu
Ya.
untuk memperbaiki bentuk tubuhnya ya. Jadi Anda lihat
Iya.
punggungnya seperti belabak ya.
Iya.
Bodinya, lebarnya, lebar dadanya. Ya, jadi kita kepingin nyetak yang memperbaiki lagi yang sebelumnya supaya lebar dadanya dapat lebih lebar,
Ya.
panjangnya juga bagus, dan yang utama adalah punggungnya juga lebih lebar lagi. Jadi memperbaiki genetik dari anak-anak 219 yang pernah saya beli sebelumnya. Sekarang ini nomornya 21119. Yang sebelumnya kan anak-anaknya dari 19219. Jadi sama-sama ada 9-nya belakangnya.
Iya Pak Alek. Pak Alek, kalau boleh tahu lo, Gudi kayak ini berapa Pak Alek harganya Pak Alek?
Ini kurang lebih $8.000 di sini.
Kalau di sini ini belum kirim ya?
Belum ongkos kirim dan lain-lain.
$8.000 tuh
Iya.
kayak di rupiah nih.
Ya lumayan lah ya.
Lumayan ya. Ya nanti mungkin bisa di cruise nih teman-teman. $8.000 ini dibawa berarti kedepannya biar di Indonesia pun anak-anak seperti ini ya Pak Alek?
Iya, bisa lebih bagus lagi.
ya.
Cetak-cetak dengan
Ya.
betina-betina yang juga kita bawa, kita kawinkan ya.
Ya, ini tadi selama kita video ini yang paling
Ya.
besar ini tadi kita lihat teman-teman, dan ternyata malah diboyong Pak Alek ke Kambing Burja nih, guys. Ini
Ya,
teman-teman.
dari banyak video memang semua masing-masing punya keunggulan masing-masing ya.
Iya.
Ada tal, ada kais apa namanya? Ada
Gunung.
gun, ada apa aja tuh? Pistol, arrow,
Ranger.
Ranger, Renegade.
Iya. Cuman kebetulan ini yang memikat tadi Pak
Ya,
Alek ya.
betul. Yang paling cocok lah gitu ya.
Iya. Jadi teman-teman ya. Yes. Ini gimana Pak Alek? Sudah Pak Alek ya?
Oke, sudah.
Sudah kita
Terima
video.
kasih. Sahabat sapi, kalau butuh sesuatu
Iya.
untuk di advertising bisa menghubungi Sahabat Sapi.
Oke Pak.
Baik. 2109.
So this is Pacifica Tull 2109. His
Tull.
father was Pacifica Rex. Beautiful length of rump on this buck from the hip to the pin bone. There's a lovely extension, as is the neck extension. Amazing depth in this buck. So you can see the depth of body, the strength in the shoulder, and the
Okay.
strength in the back end as well. He walks wide, and this buck has a beautiful temperament. Very, very nice temperament. Very gentle buck. So this is Pacifica Tull 2109.
2109 Pacifica Tull. Come, Tull. Come. Lihat nih, lebar dada gini. Panjang badannya. Super. See? Super long. Agak turun ke bawah. Sebentar. Nah, lihat tuh.
Stand up. Pull his head up.
Come on, dong. See? 2109. Tal. Very good, tal. 22145.
Nice big buck.
So this is 22145 Pacifica Renegade. Very much in his working clothes at the moment. We're coming into winter, and all the bucks have just gone through rut, so they've got that lovely sprayed look on their head and their legs, so they look a little bit dirty. But this buck is a son of Pierre, and a very nice buck he is. You can see that beautiful strong bottom jaw that he has from his father, and again he's inherited his father's shoulders with that lovely meat all the way down to his knee there. This is a long buck and a very elegant buck, and this is Pacifica Renegade 22145.
22145. 2207. Who is the name, Tracy?
This buck is 2207. His name is Pacifica Cannon, and his father is Pacifica Khan.
The pecan.
You can tell he's a Khan son very easily. Has similar head and that beautiful rump and width in the back end that Khan imprints on his kids.
Ram means this one?
This is very broad in the front as well as broad in the rear end. A nice deep shoulder and a beautiful deep rump, while sustaining that length that Pacifica is famous for. Very, very nice buck, this one. 2207 Pacifica Cannon.
2207 Pacifica Cannon, anak dari Khan.
Okay, so this little buck is not long over 12 months old, and his number is 2302.
2302.
His father is Pacifica Sting, and he's was junior champion at Maitland Show this year at 2024. Nice little buck, brother to 2303 that you saw earlier.
Ya, sudah terjual saudaranya 2303. Ini saudaranya.
Let him go. Take the ribbon and let.
Dua 201. Come on, boy. Come on. 22201. Who is the brother, Trace?
Tipper.
Tiba.
So this buck is 22201. We call him Pacifica Cowboy.
Wow, cowboy.
This buck is my favourite one out of this group. He was supposed to go to Sydney Royal this year, but he missed the truck. He got left behind, which was a terrible shame because I think he would have done very, very well. This is a beautifully balanced buck, very long, beautiful head, but that extra little bit of length that he's got really stands him apart. And he has those lovely long ears that his father imprints. So this is a very strong buck, and as you can see, ready to work.
Wow.
22201, Pacifica Cowboy.
Thank you. 21178. Sorry, 2178.
This is 2178. This is Pacifica Pistol. And Pistol is a son of Pacifica Dodger. Again, this buck, very long like his father. Dodger was an exceptionally long buck. And this buck went to Sydney Royal as a kid in 2022. So this is Pacifica Pistol, and he's 2178.
2178 Pistol, anaknya Dodger. Perhatikan panjang badannya, super, lebar dada, ya, tanduk aman dari kepala. Tuh, good boy, good boy. Come boy, go home. Okay.
This buck that Richard's holding is 2108. His name is Judge. He's a slightly older buck, so he's nearly 4. But again, just the strength in this buck has made him stand out and be a little bit more special than some of the others. His father is Pacifica Armani, who was a full brother to Pacifica Shangan. And this buck is a half brother to Pierre. They share the same mother. So again, an exceptionally strong buck, 2108.
Okay,
Yeah, Alex?
good. Yeah, thank you. So we can... Jadi peternak bisa memperhatikan ya, itu dia termasuk lebih bagus, itu ada bekas spermanya itu, onaninya di kaki depannya. Postur bodinya juga bagus seperti yang pertama tadi, lebar dadanya oke. Bentuk kepala juga normal, panjang badan juga dapat, diperlihatkan pantatnya, ya pantatnya juga bagus juga. Ya, perhatikan ketebalan dari perutnya ya. Ini 60-40 ya. Ya, saya rasa panjangnya sama seperti yang tadi sebelumnya. Oke. Thank you. Pacifica 22132. Who is the father? Bapaknya tipe. Wah, pagi-pagi udah di video keluar tuh.
Okay, so this lovely big buck is 22132. His father is Pacifica Tipper. Now this is a very strong in the front end buck. He's got nice big shoulders and a very broad chest, but added to that, nicely balanced, good length, and very good meat right down to the hocks. A good strong buck. This is Pacifica Royce.
Ya, perhatikan dada-dadanya, panjang badan, kepala belakang. Tanduknya nak mepet ke kepala ya, jadi nggak usah dikhawatirkan kami kepala. Ya, ini cukup bagus. Sudah berapa kali dia melakukan laminya untuk lami. Ya. 2126.
Get us killed.
Who is this?
So this is Pacifica Bono. This number is 2126, and his sire was Pacifica Rex. Very deep in the back end, this buck. A lot of meat on the back end. Has his father's head and eye. He looks very much like Pacifica Rex in the eye. But the outstanding feature in this buck is definitely his back end. Just
Very
beautiful.
solid. Right.
Very tall. What did you say? Let's turn off. What did you say?
Solid.
21198.
This buck that we're looking at is 21198. This is Pacifica Arrow. This buck is beautifully balanced. You can see the balance between the shoulder and the rear end and the rump and the back leg. Beautiful neck extension. His father was Pacifica Suleiman. A very nice little buck. This buck went to Sydney Royal in 2022 as a kid, and we call him Pacifica Arrow.
Ya, bisa diperhatikan lebar dadanya, panjang badan, bentuk pantatnya. Dua 21198 Pacifica Arrow. Oh boy. 21114.
And this is a favourite buck of mine, a very sentimental favourite. This is Pacifica Ranger, and his number is 21114. And he is a grandson of Shangaan.
Wow, the famous Shangaan, right?
The famous Shangaan. So on his mother's side, he is grandson Shangaan, and on his father's side, he is grandson Pacifica Kaiser. So very special genetics in this buck, and he has really picked up on the best traits that his grandparents have given him. He's beautifully long, beautiful neck extension. He has the colouring of Shangaan. He's very much like Shangaan in the head and in the eye, and yet he has Kaiser's beautiful big frame and an amazing amount of meat on this buck. Very much in his working clothes. And we are in winter, so they're a little bit lighter, the bucks at the moment. And this boy hasn't really lost any weight at all. He's quite a special buck. So this is Pacifica Ranger, 21114.
21114 Pacifica Ranger. Nice buck, very nice buck. Come boy, come outside, go. Ya, AirTag 227, ya. Tanggal kelahirannya jangan diperhatikan karena ini masih AirTag sementara. Ini ternak dari Mountain Top. Jadi ini jantan. Ini hasil breeding dari Mountain Top ya. Bapaknya Pir 227. Ya, tolong diperlihatkan. Nah, ini panjang badannya. Pantatnya bagaimana? Lebar dada. Lihat, diperlihatkan lebar dadanya. Ya. AirTag sementara 227 belakangnya ya.